Hello everyone and welcome to Ruralco Water's Southern Basin market update for Tuesday the 28th of April. Over the past week, dry conditions have continued with little to no rainfall recorded across many regions. Despite significant rainfall received in March, system inflows have now receded and demand has increased due to the prolonged dry period. Longer term storage forecast remains broadly bleak, however there is some optimism for some potential rainfall this Sunday, so fingers crossed for that. Notable changes in storages over the last week: Hume down 49 gigs and Eildon down 17 gigs. As we mentioned last week, Menindee Lakes remains of particular interest, now sitting approximately 100 gigalitres away from triggering into New South Wales control. Overall, storages are currently sitting around 42% capacity, down from 51% for the same time last year. Whilst this seasonal declines are expected this time of year, it still raises concerns around water availability if winter and spring inflows fail to materialise. In temporary markets, pricing and demand has firmed over the past week, resulting in reduced supply across a number of markets. Below the choke in Victoria and SA, pricing has been about $4.50 to $4.60 per meg. Water in New South Wales, Zone 11, around $4.40 to $4.50. And there is a bit of a conjecture about where the pricing may go once interstate trade from New South Wales does close in the next few days. In the Goulburn, $3.80 to $3.90 per meg. Above choke, $3.50 to $3.60 on the Victorian side, and on the New South Wales side, around $3.35 to $3.50. Again, we'll see how this responds on the New South Wales side once interstate trade closes. Demand for carryover capacity remains strong, which is expected this time of year, and there is limited availability from sellers. As a result, pricing has started to increase. Goulburn low around 25 to 30, or the Goulburn high is still sitting around $10 a meg. Zone 7 low, Victoria, $4.45 to $56 a meg has been recent trades, and Zone 6 low above the choke around $20 a meg. Looking in New South Wales, Murrumbidgee General Security has been around $32 to $35 a meg, and Zone 11 General Security around $60 a meg with limited availability. Last week on the forward market, we secured some forwards in New South Wales 11 at $500 a meg and $430 in the Goulburn. Buyer demand for forward products does remain high, however, as the temporary market has lifted, seller expectations have also increased. In the permanent market pricing continues to show signs of firming with competitor buying demand observed. Most parcels are currently selling dry and continue to firm in price. As history has shown, when water becomes scarce, markets can move quickly, making information, timing and preparation more important than ever. Please feel free to contact your Ruralco broker as always to discuss any specific water requirements. Finally, a couple of reminders before we go. The Goulburn webinar we're hosting is on Thursday the 30th of April this week, and details are available in our newsletter or on the website. Lastly, New South Wales interstate closures as a reminder on the 30th of April, so please take action to arrange any allocation transfers if need be. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching up with you next time we see you. Thanks.